Hi, welcome back to the Boldero's on Tour. I'm Michael.
I'm Carol.
And Carol is behind the camera once again because, to be honest, she's really better than that than I am. Anyway, we want to introduce you today in our new video to the star of the show. It's Connie, our Swift Conqueror 480. She's a 2015 model, but she's absolutely in splendid condition. Now, if you look in the front window, if you can see it, Carol will pick it up. There's a little furry friend. Well, that little furry friend hasn't got a name. So if any of you got any suggestions, let us know, and we'll see if we can pick the right one. So we're going to start at the front of the caravan, which probably is a good place to start. As you can notice straight away, it's got Connie on the front. And these two little flowers are nothing to do with me. Who put them on?
Me.
It's Carol's idea, just to brighten the front up. So the caravan is well equipped. We were doing a thing about the inside of the caravan in a forthcoming video. But what the outside of the caravan has got, it's got obviously the Alco hitch and stabilizer. And as you can see, we use the high quality Alco hitch lock. And that is solid, secure hitch lock as well. Handbrake is off at the moment because she's in a standing place, standing in storage. By leaving the handbrake off, you are not going to get seized brakes when you come to tow the caravan away. We've replaced the jockey wheel with a kart jockey wheel, which is recommended by the Caravan and Motorhome Club. That's an absolute brilliant piece of kit, especially if you're on hard standing pitches at their sites. And the caravan is also fitted with ATC as well, which makes towing an absolute breeze. Right, moving around the caravan. If Carol can follow me. We have here an excellent outside locker, and we've also got a gas barbecue point on the caravan, and further down an external 230 volt point on the caravan. I run a lead from that into the awning because in the awning we like to have nice little mood lighting, as you might call it. But in the front locker here, we store our barbecue. That stays in there, and it's easy for us to get it out and plug it in. We'll be doing a separate video about our barbecue in a forthcoming video. Caravan is fitted with all the security systems. It has alarm and tracker on it, which is really needed this day and age. And as you can probably notice from where we are, Connie, our caravan, has actually got its own hard standing at home, which is its dedicated parking space. What we did, we had a contractor come in and put 2 layers of concreted down paving slabs for the wheels to go on, and then you can probably see with all this we've put some gravel down as well, and a little footpath here so you can get to the door. Also, we've also put a slab on here as well, which is great for putting the step outside to make it easy to get in and out of the caravan. You'll notice with this caravan we've got some extras on it. 2 extras are the Power Touch motor mover, which is situated down there. I don't know if Carol can get a view of it. Yeah, well done. And then on the roof we've actually just had fitted Truma air conditioning. Yet again, we'll be doing another video about that in the future. Now that adds payload to the caravan. So what we've actually got Swift to do is to upplate the caravan. So our MRO is 1317 kilograms, but our MTPLM is 1500 kilograms. So that takes into account the extra payload we've got on the caravan with the motor mover and the air conditioner. The great thing about the air conditioner is actually situated just above the axle, so it's in a perfect balance for the caravan. And the car we used to tow the caravan is a Volvo XC60, 2.4 litre R design, all-wheel drive, and I tell you what, it doesn't know the caravan's on the back. Well, it does a little bit. Sometimes we get a little wobble. Security-wise, again, you've noticed down on the floor, we've got a ground anchor that's screwed into the ground and a hefty chain and padlock on that. Yet again, it's spelt and braces. You can't stop any opportune thieves who might want to have a go, but you just try and make it as difficult as we possibly can for them. Moving around the back of the caravan, this is where things get interesting. We're lucky to have this maker caravan's got all LED lighting, road lights on it, so we haven't got to worry about bulb changing. And also I've had fitted to it an Autovox reversing camera, which is up there. That's solar powered and wireless, and that gives us a good view of the road behind. Yet again, we'll do another video about that as well. Some people have said, when we put it on Facebook about it, that it wouldn't pick the sun up to charge it up. Well, it doesn't need the sunlight, it needs light. And I can assure you now, since we fitted that, the battery level has always stayed at a high level, so it's been full. Also, we've got the customary way of recognising us when we're on the road. Part of Carol's design as well, isn't it, love?
Yep.
Yep, she did that. So if you do see us, pip your horn, or if we're stationary, come and say hello. Now down to the boring bit, which is down here. Services, of course. The usual toilet, flush, and your emptying. We can do videos about that if people want it. Also, what we've fitted here as well is a bulldog clamp. Also important to have locking wheel nuts on with them so that they can't take the wheel off with the clamp as well. So that's there. And I've also fitted, these are great things, these are fridge vent covers. We fit these where the caravan's in storage for a little while. And the idea is you can't get any little spiders, which are about this time of year, to go in behind your fridge. Okay, so that's that. We have here obviously battery storage and our mains input. Also there's an aerial input as well, so we can use a satellite dish or whatever with it. And if you notice, on the side of the garage, it's got its own 240 hook-up point. You've got to be sorry. I tell you what's great, if it's a summer's day and it's red hot outside and it's hot in the house, we can put the aircon on in the caravan and come out here and have a nice cool drink. Also here we've got, the caravan has got an onboard water tank, so we've got the filler there for the onboard water tank, which is there. You will try and get it locked, and then the other one is if you're filling up from the aqua roll. So we've got two ways of filling the water system up. And then this one here is our external shower point, where Carol can hose me down when I come back a bit mucky. And then finally, we've got Aldi central heating. I tell you what, we wouldn't go back to anything else. We absolutely love our Aldi central heating. Just keeps us warm and toasty. Well, I think that's about it. Carol will come out and give you a good view of it all down with the hard standing. It is tricky to get the caravan out of here. We have to use a motor mover because we have to bring the caravan out across the front of the garage, across here, and then we have to come out through the gate which is there. So it's quite a manoeuvre. The gate's actually a clever design. I'm not going to tell you for security reasons how it works, but if you've probably noticed, the gate is narrower than the caravan. Work that one out for yourself. So that's about it for this video today. If you'd enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. The channel's starting to grow and we're really happy for all the feedback we've got. So from Carol, it's
Ta-ra!
cheerio, bye.